Welcome to today's episode. Your English Plateau? Reset your brain. That's called the English Plateau. It happens to almost every language learner. You reach a level where progress slows down. It feels like your brain is tired. You start to lose motivation. You ask yourself, why am I not getting better? But don't worry, it's completely normal. The plateau means you've reached an intermediate wall. You're no longer a beginner. But you're not fluent yet. And it feels like you're stuck in the middle. So how do you break out? First, accept that it's part of the journey. Don't fight it, understand it. Next, it's time to reset your brain. Change your learning methods. Your brain loves new challenges. Doing the same thing every day doesn't help anymore. You need to shock your system. Try watching new types of English content. If you usually watch movies, switch to interviews. If you only read articles, start listening to podcasts. Challenge your brain to adapt. Learning needs to feel fresh and exciting again. Start keeping a language journal. Write what you learn every day. Write your mistakes too, don't be afraid. Mistakes are proof you're learning. Speak even when you don't feel ready. Waiting to be perfect will stop you forever. Start small, 1-minute monologues daily. Record yourself and listen. It may feel awkward at first. Learn phrases instead of single words. How are you doing is more useful than doing. Focus on conversations, not vocabulary lists. Language is about flow, not perfection. Teach others what you learn. Explaining forces you to remember. You become more confident too. Find someone learning English and help them. You'll both grow together. Join online communities. Share tips, stories, and questions. You'll feel supported and encouraged. Don't isolate yourself. English is social, use it socially. Set small, clear goals. Learn 5 new phrases today. Watch 1 English TED Talk. Micro goals build momentum. Every goal achieved increases motivation. Break big goals into pieces. Instead of, be fluent in 6 months. Say, have 1 English conversation per week. Realistic goals are powerful. You'll stop feeling overwhelmed. Practice all skills together. Listen, speak, read, and write about the same topic. This builds deeper understanding. Don't separate your skills. Connect them with context. Active learning works better. Don't just watch, take notes. Don't just read, say the words out loud. Be present when you study. Try the shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker. Repeat their sentences out loud immediately. Copy their tone, rhythm, and speed. It improves pronunciation fast. Use English subtitles at first. Then remove them and test yourself. Read out loud daily. It strengthens speaking and thinking in English. Leave sticky notes with English words around your room. You'll start thinking in English more naturally. Learn through storytelling. Stories are emotional and memorable. They connect grammar, vocabulary, and feeling. Read English short stories or watch story-based videos. Retell the stories in your own words. It's powerful language practice. Don't memorize, understand. Use English to express emotions. Say how you feel about something. This builds fluency. Take breaks if needed. Your brain also needs rest. Short breaks improve focus. But don't stop completely. A light review during breaks is helpful. Stay consistent, even if it's just 5 minutes a day. Change your routine every few weeks. Don't let learning feel robotic. Keep it dynamic and fun. Watch comedy in English for fun learning. Listen to English music. Sing along. Music teaches rhythm and vocabulary. Try English poetry or quotes. Play language games or quizzes. Make English fun again. Reward yourself for progress. Treat yourself after achieving goals. Positive emotions boost memory. Make English your friend, not your stress. Use English in your life. Write your shopping list in English. You're doing better than you think. Change your phone language to English. Surround yourself with English. Let it become part of your identity. Celebrate your progress. Don't compare with others. Your journey is unique. Be proud of every small improvement. Stay curious. Explore different topics in English. Learn about science, history, art, in English. Curiosity is the best teacher. Stay patient. Real growth takes time. English is a journey, not a destination. There's no finish line. Keep moving forward. Keep speaking. Don't wait for confidence. Speak first, confidence comes after. Say, I'm an English speaker, even if you're learning. Believe in your growth. Your brain can adapt. You can learn anything with time. Change your mindset. Instead of, I'm not good at English, say, I'm improving every day. Positive language creates positive results. Stay motivated with your WHY. Why are you learning English? For work? Travel? Connection? Remind yourself daily. It keeps the fire alive. Motivation drives discipline. Discipline brings results. And results create joy. Don't give up now. The plateau will pass. You will improve again. You just need to reset. Change your brain's patterns. Make English exciting again. Be brave, speak more. Be curious, ask questions. Be kind, celebrate effort. Be patient, give it time. You've got this. Start again with a fresh mind. Pick a new topic to explore. Try a new app or tool. Join a language challenge online. Try journaling your thoughts in English. Focus on progress, not perfection. Mistakes are teachers. Don't avoid them, welcome them. Laugh at them, learn from them. Then try again. Your brain is amazing. It rewires with practice. Even 15 minutes daily can change everything. Trust the process. Keep showing up. Break the routine when needed. Add surprises to your learning. Talk to strangers. Watch new content. Use your voice daily. English is not just a subject. It's a bridge to the world. Every sentence you speak connects you. Every word you learn opens a door. Don't just study English, live it. Speak it with love. Listen with attention. Write with emotion. Think in English. Dream in English. This is your reset moment. Take a deep breath. Let go of frustration. Start fresh with a smile. You're capable of amazing things. Say it now, I can do this. Because you really can. The plateau is not the end. It's a signal to rise. Let today be the day you grow again.